How to download and install OKX Crypto Exchange app in mobile. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app in your device and open it. Tap on this search icon, type OKX and press enter. This is the right application with over 10 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. Basically, OKX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange serving millions of users worldwide. The platform provides a wide range of digital asset services including spot trading, derivatives, staking, and advanced trading tools. OKX is recognized for its comprehensive market offerings, robust security measures, and user-friendly trading experience. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.